traffic at the Delhi-Noida border has been moving at a snail's speed, and what you can see behind me is the heavy barricading that has been done by the Noida police on the D&A and on the flyovers of the Delhi-Noida. This is the road which has been massively impacted and led to the congestion on several routes from Delhi moving towards Noida, all because of the farmers' protests that have been demanding a few issues and pressing the central government for meeting these demands under the banner of Samyukt Kisan Morcha and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha have been protesting at Khanuri border as well since February, and this is the arrangement that has been made at the border, which you can see, and these are cranes that have been set up and trucks that have been erected at the national highway, in fact, and the roads leading to Noida, resulting in heavy traffic. And in just minutes from now, Kisans are also marching towards this region. This is a very crucial and key route connecting Delhi to Noida, and what you can see behind me is a sense of how, in fact, the roads have been blocked. There has been massive choking that has been done at the points where Delhi and Noida are being connected. And in fact, the various demands, including the guaranteed compensation and benefits under the newly enacted agriculture laws, has been by the farmers who have been protesting, and a few of the farmers have said that they have been arrested in their houses, and now they are going to intensify their protest if the government doesn't listen to their demands. This is Simran with video journalist Avdesh for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.